Hi everyone, I'm Francesca from Zanzorna Joy. Today I'm very excited because I asked Shana from Shanouki to collaborate with me in some way. So we decided to try a tutorial of each other. Shana is a great artist and her videos are very clear and easy to follow. I will put the link of her channel, which is called Shanouki, in the description box. So today I decided to take a part in her challenge called Full Tech Challenge. You can participate too, just alter the playing card with what you have available on your desk. And if you want, you can share what you have created on Instagram using the hashtag FullTechChallenge, so we can see it. On her channel, Shana has a lots of videos on how to alter the playing cards, and today I choose to do my version of tutorial number 7. First of all, I will glue a single layer of napkin with the Mod Podge on my playing card. I will make a window to this card, so to understand where to do it, I will help me with a test. I want to make the window on the side with the flowers around, so based on this, I move the napkin. Once satisfied, I glue. At this point, to speed up the drying, I'll use the heat tool. Now I cut the excess. Now I'm using more Mod Podge to seal the playing card. At this point, I'm going to paste a background. You can use scrapbook paper, digital paper, coffee stain paper, whatever you want. And I cut the excess. Now to give a more vintage look, I'm using Vintage Photo from Ranger, a distress ink with the blending tool, and I pass it all over the edges. Now I use my punch to create the window. Now I will create a pocket with the vellum on the back of my playing card. Before sewing the pocket, I will make a seam only on this side of the paper. Now I'm going to cut the vellum a bit and tear off the top edge. And now I can sew the pocket. Now you can leave as it is, or you can cut the excess. For the inside I will create a small card. And with the leftover window I create a little charm. To attach it, I use a bulb pin. And so that's it. So let me know in the comments what you think, and thank you so much for watching this video, for every like, comments, and thank you. Thank you so much. And let me know in the comments if you want another video like this. Thank you so much. Bye.